Hi everyone, I'm Opalanga and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we have got the sixth kind of definite pronoun that is known as emphatic relative pronouns. So what are the emphatic relative pronouns? Definition: those pronouns which join two clauses and work as a conjunction to mean it does not matter are called emphatic relative pronouns. See, those pronouns which join two clauses as we discussed in previous lecture and work as a conjunction. Only one thing is added to mean it does not matter. Means whatever he or she wants to do, he or she can. Are called emphatic relative pronouns. So those pronouns which join two clauses and work as a conjunction to mean it does not matter. Whatever he or she can, she wants, she or he can do, are called emphatic relative pronouns. What are the emphatic relative pronouns? They are four in number: whoever, whomever, whichever, and whatever. Example number one for whoever: you can meet whoever you want. It is used for person as a subject. You can meet whoever you want means no matter. You can meet, that is, there is no any objection. And whoever is the conjunction which is joining you can meet with you want. And in the same way, you can meet whomever you want. It is used as an object. It is formal way and it is informal way to mean it does not matter, whomever you want. Next one we have got, that is known as they can select whichever they prefer. Now their choice is given of things. They can select whichever they prefer. It is joining they can select with they prefer. After that we have got she can eat whatever she likes. Now she can eat whatever she likes. So whatever is joining she can eat with she likes. So these are the emphatic relative pronouns which join two clauses and work as a conjunction to mean it does not matter. Clear? And whoever and whomever are, keep in your mind, used as an object to join two clauses. So hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.